Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of Back to Basics with Angie G. So in the previous video, I showed you guys how to do the neutral eyeshadow. Now I'm just going to step it up one notch and show you the natural look. So this is just adding a little bit more makeup to this. So I'm just actually going to go in with one color just to enhance this look, and it will be my dark brown. And I am going to be taking my blending brush and I'm going to be putting a little bit of that dark brown on my blending brush and just bringing it on the outer corners of my eyes. I'm still quite light with my hand because I don't want this too dark. And then I'm just going to go in with another brush and just blend that color. Okay, now I'm just going to take my NYX palette again and just put a little bit of highlighter just to blend that in with my darker brown. So there you have it, guys. That is the end of our natural look. Again, I'm not finishing off this look because I still have some more secrets to show you. So stay tuned for the next episode of Back to Basics and don't forget to subscribe.